Welcome back to my channel. How are we all doing today? I have a video to share with us. It's very important. It's a good news. Anambra people have opened a beach in Anamu. This is a world-class beach in terms of size and landmark. Everything about it is also good. It's up to standard. It just needs some touch. This is what we are talking about. Come back to Southeast and invest in your own state. It's not a bad thing. It's not a bad idea. That thing you have in Lagos is also in Southeast. Everybody is saying Lagos have water, Lagos have beach. It's a very good site, a very nice place to go. Instead of you to start filling swamp, for you to build a resort in Lagos State, you have a place where you can invest. Look at it here. Look at it here. This is in Anambra State. Every Igbo person, every billionaire in the Igbo land need to, invest in this kind of project. It is very good because we have what it takes. They said that we are landlocked and all that, but it's not true. A dot in nation, like Buhari called the Southeasterners, that is a dot in nation. All these are just mind game they're playing, on Igbo people. Look at this beautiful land, beautiful space, a beach in Anambra State. If you can, invest here, you're not going to regret it because this is what Igbo people need to do. This is what attracts a tourist. People from, Europeans, people from other part of the world can come here and enjoy and have a vacation. But it needs to invest on it. And Igbo people have what it takes to do this. As you can see, there's a lot of space here, a lot of work needs to be done here. But this is a God-given beach. It's not artificial, it's not the one in Dubai. This is natural. We need to call our own, maintain our own and be ourselves. You don't need to copy anybody. Let me allow the video so you can watch it. Just watch. You see? Wow. Wow. So if anybody tell you that you can get this kind of beach in Southeast, will you agree? There's many of them. This is just one out of many. This is just one. If you go to Anambra, this is one of the beach. There's other beaches there. You go to Enugu State, the same thing. If you go to Imo State, of course we have. You don't need to take your money to another place and waste it there. This is your own. You need to invest here. You don't need to rush to other man's land in the name of investment. Okay, make sure you share this video, let it go viral. It's very important. Share it for anybody that is interested in Southeast development, especially the Igbos and Anambarians. If you are from any other part of Igbo land, even other part of Nigeria as well, if you want to invest, you can invest here. It's very good. You're not going to regret it. I just want you to see this beach. It's a new beach that's been opened in Anambra State. Thank you for watching. Please, if you have not followed me on this page, follow me on YouTube as well. Like, comment. Tell me what you think about this video. Share this video, let it go viral. See you on my next video, guys. Bye bye for now.